On reporting on the drug crisis in Fiji, I feel like the challenge is our community, how close we are, and how everyone knows each other. And speaking from experience, I live in a community where police has conducted 2 raids recently. And for me, a challenge is how do I cover that while protecting myself and my family. And also when it goes to court. I'm also a court reporter, so how do I cover court in a way that I don't risk myself and also my family? So we know in a newsroom if there's a drug raid in Nambua and someone is living in Nambua, a reporter from there won't cover it, just to protect her and her family. I think that also goes to other newsrooms in the country. So I think the challenge is the community, and also another challenge would be the sources. Who do we speak to? And how do you protect the person and also yourself as well?
I personally believe that one of the biggest challenges we face in Fiji is the fact that there is lack of coordination between the media and relevant authorities, especially with police. That being said, that in terms of just maybe if the police are traveling to the outer islands to do drug raids on marijuana farms, then they could give us a lift. That way our security as well is assured. Even though sometimes members of the public are more forthcoming to provide us tips, it's still unsafe because we as media organization in the Pacific, we cannot afford to get bodyguards or security to go with us on the strip. Our drivers are not trained for those kind of things, and even our cameramen and us as well. So I truly believe that there needs to be a lot of coordination between media and other authorities.
Most important issues, it came up yesterday as well when Francis spoke about the issue in Vanuatu, and then when we had the CEO summit, the importance of risk management and mitigation. There's so many things, moving parts now, and these issues are staring us right into the face. Drugs, we cannot hide away from it, and the journalists are right at the front line. No doubt we have to have special mental health sessions, and counseling, and upskilling in terms of reporting, just sharing knowledge. Knowledge sharing has been highlighted to ensure that we continue this fight. And the other issue is the media sets the attitude. It's very important that if we know that this is hitting our society very hard, and we know in Fiji it's hitting very hard at all levels, our health system is grappling with the issue. We do not have a psychiatric hospital that can keep up with drug rehabilitation. We have the issues with drugs. The latest cases, more than 1,000 cases between January to September last year, and 200 of the new cases all through injectable drugs. This is what we are faced with. And no doubt, us as a community, a bigger community of media organizations in the Pacific, have to reach out and what more we can do to help our audiences who are the citizens of the countries that we work for.